Hello, Florida BizConnect. This is Brianna Brown, your co-founder, sitting here with Commissioner of South Miami, Steve Calle. We've already done one interview, but there was a second one that I wanted to do because this really relates to what we're doing at Florida BizConnect with our youth mentorship and internship program. Steve also put into place a financial literacy program here in South Miami for the youth, which I think is incredible. I mean, we're just seeing so many kids coming out of high school, going into college. They don't have financial literacy. They don't know how to interview. They don't know how to talk to people. And we need to change that. And I think we can all agree on that. So I want Steve to tell us a little bit about what he's done and the program.
Well, I think for me, it started, I was in startups and growth companies, and I mentored a lot of businesses. And when I got elected into office, I saw the same problem, right? We don't do a good job, even adults, by the way, we don't do a good job of teaching about credit, teaching about financial literacy, how to get ahead.
They either don't know what they're doing, or we're so busy we don't apply it.
Right, we don't apply it. We're just not great at it.
To the kids, yeah.
And so when we had this opportunity, we're a small city in the city of South Miami. So I tried to leverage with Miami-Dade County Public Schools. I've tried to leverage with the Wolfson campus. They do a really good job of growth companies and startups and stuff like that. But nothing for the mom and pop, nothing for the kids. Luckily, I got with Commissioner Regalado, which is our district county commissioner. And we got intertwined and we spoke a lot about this situation. She had already been working on something with Bank of America. They have a platform where we can sit down and teach kids. So I luckily set up a room, classroom environment, set it all up, building it out. And so we've been doing it now 4 or 5 times, and we're averaging 25, 30 students every time we do it, and they love it because it's in a game environment, a platform. But they go through the balancing a checkbook, understanding credit, how credit works, what is interest, is it good or is it bad, how to apply it. I think to me it's something very important that we don't teach, that we just got to continue to get better with. So working with that, working with mentorships, having different school systems, trying to, juniors and seniors, trying to figure out, go do the program, but also if you want to do any internships, learn about politics, learn about public works, learn about, how cities run. Those are the things that we wanted to do as a city to bring in more people. Like, we're community-based, and we didn't do a good job of bringing in the community. And I think that's the best way of doing that, starting with our youth.
Yeah, where do you hold the financial literacy courses?
We have a community center called the Bethel Gibson Center. There's a little strip of, it looks like a little strip mall called the Mobley Building. It's in Unit 1. That's where the classroom environment is.
My son used to be a lifeguard.
That's right. So right there.
So right there.
Yeah, I don't remember the actual street, but it's where the Bethel Gibson Center is.
And you said it usually has somewhere between 25 and 30 students.
Yes.
When do you hold them? Who's able to go?
We have, the next one's coming up here in the beginning of December. Usually we blast it out on marketing, whether it's Commissioner Regalado's office or my office or the city. The specifics, I think it's December 7th, but I'll send you the details and you can blast it with.
And is it for South Miami teens only? Is it open up to, and what's the age group, really?
The age group is usually like middle schoolers and high schoolers. I don't do things specifically for the city of South Miami. We're a community, right? So me and you are a good example of that, right? I'm in the city of South Miami, you're not, but you're 3 blocks away from me.
Right.
It doesn't mean my community can't serve yours and vice versa.
That's right.
So the idea is, everybody that's in the area wants to come join. That's what we care about. That's the other reason we partnered up with Commissioner Regalado. I have the city side and she has the county side, and together we serve one community.
So obviously you want to teach kids about finances, but what was the goal? Like, where are you going with this? Do you want to have it be something that happens every month, that lots of children are involved in? Like, where are you going with it?
Well, look, the city is small and we don't have the resources to do all this at one shot. So the idea was to grow it. Start off with kids, financial literacy, grow into the adult section, whether it's helping them find jobs, teaching them about credit repair, teaching about how to get a house, whether it's a rental or a home. Home is probably ideal. How do you get to that point? So I have this classroom environment. The idea is to have it used 3 to 4 times a week, so people are just constantly learning. I think it's just takes time to get content on both sides, right? Content for all the different things, and making sure I can reach out to the community to make sure they want to come in and learn. And it little by little is starting to grow and grow and grow. So that's the idea. It's different little caveats, different really important deals, and then have that one center to do all that.
And are you planning to keep it strictly to finances, or would you potentially open it up later? Like I just read online yesterday that Google was going to put millions of dollars into a couple of different schools, colleges, to give them free AI classes for their students. Is something like AI classes something you might dabble in later, or just other options, or mainly finances?
No, so we've done finances the most. We've done free social media classes, how to grow your like Instagram and all that stuff. We have an AI class that we've already done as well.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So collectively, it's across the board. I need to get those content people to make sure that we can teach those classes.
Right.
But yeah, the idea is to do all the above. Any social classroom environment that's going to help you in life, that's what we want to do.
And are you going to open it up to adults at any point?
Yeah, we've done adults as well. Like we've done AI learning for adults. We've only had one class, but we'll start working on that. And the more important thing that we've also done with that classroom is teaching you how to get a job. Right? There's a lot of construction going on in South Miami. There's a lot of businesses that are moving back in. You mentioned some of the big boys, like Facebook and Meta and all these guys. But we do have more people coming back into South Miami.
Right.
The area around us are all executives from big companies, big firms, that they don't want to travel to Brickell anymore.
Right.
They don't want to travel to downtown. So we will see an influx, a little bit more office space here. And hopefully that trickles down into what we can teach businesses back and forth.
Yeah. Yeah, I've been following that a lot also because of the youth mentorship program and internships. Like we don't have enough businesses that actually offer these internships to kids, and we really need to grow that for the better of the kids, but also for the better of the businesses, because they're getting new and young and fresh ideas. And let's be honest, sometimes they have to mold and spend a lot of time with these kids, but you're never going to get more back than doing something like that. So yeah, I look forward to both of us having a lot of success with these programs and collaborating, of course.
Getting the youth, I think getting the youth more involved. We partnered up with the University of Miami. Like I saw the women's basketball team over here a lot, mentoring the kids, hanging out with them, showing them different things. And I think that attracts more people to come and try to learn. So we'll continue to do that.
So as far as the financial literacy program, is it for a full day? Is it a half day? Is it a few hours? What is the duration of the program?
It's a full day. You get there, we have snacks. We provide pizza or lunch. We provide computers. We have 2 classroom people walking around helping them go through the curriculum, answer any questions. When they get out, they have their certificate and they get hours for school, community service hours.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Steve, so much. I really appreciate it. I'm super excited about your program. I know I can flood some kids your way.
It's a lot of work, but it's going well.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Yeah, me too. Thank you so much.
Thank you.